Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to make your own hatch design in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. If you've ever wanted to create your own custom hatch patterns in Autocad instead of using the default ones, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Custom hatch designs are a great way to make your drawings stand out and add more creativity and personalization to your projects. To begin, you first need a design or pattern that you want to turn into a hatch. This can be any shape, symbol, or repeated design you've created inside Autocad. Once your design is ready, the first important step is turning that design into a block. Select all the objects that make up your pattern, then create a block from them. This is important because Autocad treats blocks as a single object, making it much easier to use them for hatch creation later on. Make sure everything you want included in the hatch is part of the block before continuing. Now that your block is ready, head down to the command line and type Super Hatch, then press Enter. This command allows you to create custom hatch patterns using blocks, images, or other objects. After entering the command, Autocad will ask what type of hatch you want to create. Choose the Block option. Next, select the block you just created. Once selected, Autocad will ask you to choose a boundary for the hatch. In this example, we'll use a rectangle as the hatch boundary. Click inside the rectangle or select the boundary area where you want the custom hatch to appear. Autocad may prompt you with additional settings like scale, rotation, or alignment options. For this tutorial, we'll leave everything on the default settings to keep the process simple. Continue pressing Enter through the prompts until Autocad finishes generating the hatch. And just like that, your custom hatch pattern will appear inside the selected boundary area. This is an incredibly useful technique for architectural details, textures, floor patterns, symbols, and any design where you want something more unique than the standard Autocad hatch options. Once you get comfortable with this process, you can start experimenting with different block designs and create completely customized hatch styles for your projects. And that's basically it. You now know how to create your own hatch design in Autocad using the Super Hatch command. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.